Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am setting up my budget planner for August. I need to set up my monthly, add in some of the sheets that I use for my planning, my cash planning and cash stuffing and all that. I'm putting in some new challenges and I'm going to just set everything up so that way I'm ready to go for the new month. So I'm going to first start off with putting in my pages in here. So I have a video showing how I set up this planner, the pieces that I bought. They're all from the Happy Planner. The covers from the Happy Planner, the discs are from the Happy Planner. These dividers and monthly sections are from the Happy Planner. So all of that is just like pieces that I took from planners that I had on hand and put it all together. I do have printables that I'm using that I made and are available on my Patreon. I have a bunch of downloads over there. So I have a sinking funds tracker. I keep track of all my sinking funds when I'm cash stuffing the amounts so I can keep the totals of them. I have this one, a cash planning sheet, which I use to plan out how I'm going to put money into each of my categories. I like to print these double-sided, so I printed, I believe, 3 of these each. And then I have cash and stuffing sheets, which I use when I am unstuffing my envelope. So whenever I spend using a card, I'll just write it down here so that way I know what envelope to pull it out of. So have those. Oh, and then I have these trackers. I'm gonna do this at the end and just see if I need to change up any of my trackers if they're too full. So yeah, I'm just gonna first set up my sheets. I like the cash planning first because that's the one that I use first, and then I use the sinking funds tracker. So I usually put them in this order. And then since I'm using the disc bound system, I can just move things around, take things in and out, which is nice, very easily. And just pop things in and organize them as I go. But for now, this is the order that I like to have them in. And then I have these unstuffing sheets, which I like to put at the front of the planner. Let's see, I think I have one left. Okay, so I'll just put these in front. Actually, I'll put this one in the front, so I use this one first since this is the older one. Okay, so those are the sheets, so that's ready to go. That's enough pages for me to do. I don't know how many weeks. Actually, we'll see how many weeks are in August for me to use those sheets. So I have 1, 2, 3, actually, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Actually, 4 weeks for unstuffings and 5 weeks for cash planning one. So yeah, that's why I printed 3 of each, because I need at least 5. All right, so now into my monthly section. This is where I'm gonna use this awesome sticker book from KellofaPlan, which isn't available right now. I don't know if she's gonna come out with another version of this in the future, but definitely follow along with KellofaPlan because this is a great book. Love this one. But I'm going to use this to help me plan out my monthly bills, where they're going to, what paychecks basically they're going to be paid from. And I like to use this sticker book because I can color code, which is my favorite to do. I have this little sheet here. This is also from my Patreon, where I have my bills that are due and then the date that they come out, more or less, the bill, and then the amount for each one. Down here I have my annual subscriptions, which I actually just put one of these monthly bills into an annual. So now I have 4 annual subscriptions, and then I put the date here. It hasn't come out yet, but the payment will be coming out soon, I think by next week. And then I'll put the date here. So I'm just gonna go through my list here and put down a sticker based off of like when it lands on the monthly sheet. I'm trying to figure out what color I want to use. What color did I do for July? Oh yeah, I did red, white, and blue. 4th of July. I like to do a seasonally themed color scheme if I can get away with it with what I have. And I think I want to use these stickers because they feel kind of summery. We're heading into like the end of summer, so I think this is a good, and I haven't used this color yet, so I'm gonna use this color. All right, so first bill up is rent, which is the first. So I will get a little rent sticker, or a sticker for rent. and then I put it here, and pen, and I'm just gonna put rent. And then once rent comes out, once it's out of my account, I'll write the total in there, and then that's how I know it's like left my account. All right, then the next one is Cox, so that's gonna be another green one. Here. This is my internet. Okay, and then next we have, okay, the 8th, I used to have Prime, but that one's going to annual. So now on the 8th, I only have Apple. So 8th, all right. So this actually lands into a new pay period. So I get paid every week at my full-time job. So all my bills are paid from my full-time job pay. And so I like to color code based off of when I get paid and then what bills will come out from that paycheck. So this is where you're gonna see the color coding for that. So this is a payday. So I'm gonna get this payday sticker here, put this up here. So this came out of this paycheck, which is actually in July. So that's why I didn't put a sticker there, but I will for this one since it's an August one. So I have the 8th, which is here, will be a blue sticker. And this is Apple. The next bill I have is the 11th. I have 2 bills that lands within this, still the same pay period. So I'm gonna get 2 of these and put them here. And those bills are Geico, which is my car insurance, and my electric. Okay. Then the next bill is the 15th, which is a new pay period. So I'm gonna grab a new color. Actually, I need to grab another color too. Let's see. Oh, I have used this color. I didn't realize there's 2 sheets. Never mind. Okay, I'm gonna do pink and yellow also. All right, so we got pink. This is the new pay period. So this is Verizon and Zoom on the 15th. Okay, so that's my cell phone and Zoom. Next bill is the 16th. That's still a pink pay period. So that is dental. Next is the 19th, which is a new pay period. So I'll do yellow. Yellow, oh, new payday. Payday sticker. And yellow here. That is my magic key. That's my pass to Disney. Next is the 22nd, so that's a yellow bill. This is my rent insurance. Um, 24th, which is still this same yellow pay period. I have 2 bills, Spotify and Instagram. So I'm just gonna put them here. Thankfully, I don't have a bill on the 31st, so I can just take up this space. So that is Instagram and Spotify. And then the last thing is Adobe, which is the 30th. That's a new pay period, so I'm gonna grab a new color. Oh, I already did green. So let's grab a different color. Maybe orange, is that orange? Okay, I have orange here. Okay, so this is an orange bill. And that will be here. And the 30th, which is Adobe. All right, so those are my bills for the month. Put this back in here. All right, so yeah, I use this when before I cash plan for the week. I will look at this monthly section here. I'll see my payday, what week we are when it comes to my payday, and then whatever bills are from this same color, they'll come out of this paycheck. These pink ones will come out of this paycheck, yellow will come out of this, and the orange will come out of that. So yeah, that's how I like to map out my bills for the month. And so I will take whatever amounts these are, take that out, like subtract that from the total I have, keep that all in the bank so that way, because these are all auto paid, so that way they'll get paid, no issues. And then whatever money I have left over, I'll take that out and cash plan with it and cash stuff with it. Okay, so that is it for this. Now I'm gonna go into my savings challenges. I need to unstuff these, probably do that later today. So I like to take some of these challenges out. I like to do some for like the full duration of the challenge, and then some I like to just do for the month and then switch it up to a new challenge. So this one right here is a July one, so this will be changing soon. So I have a new August one. I wanted to try out the glossy version that I make of this challenge, so I'm gonna do a glossy one because sometimes I feel like you can't see the cute little piggy as well on camera, so this will be a little bit easier. And I can use any marker on this, so it's easier to clean. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the back because when I unstuff, at least it'll be there already, ready to go. This one I will be changing out for this brain dump one. This is from Emzo Budgets. And I'm going to use this one because this one looks fun. So I'll have Emzo Budgets linked down in the description if you're interested in some cute savings challenges. Usually I do a $5 one, but I'm going to switch it up. Let's switch it up this time around. And I'm just going to do this one. We'll see how this one goes. I actually finished my 100 envelope challenge in my last cash stuffing, so I don't have that challenge anymore. And I plan on taking a little break from it until I finish some of these other challenges first. Like say for instance this 52 circle one. So I'm gonna do some different ones than I have in the past. This one I'm gonna change out. I might do this one, or I might make one. I had an idea to make a challenge for myself. I might make one, or I might do this one. I haven't decided yet. I don't know if I have enough time until I need to cash plan and cash stuff, so we'll see. But this is the challenge I'm currently doing right now. It's a seasonal one, Boomopoly from the Millennial Dollar, and it is a July one, so this one I'm going to switch out. So I'll either do this one or do the one I plan on making that I haven't made yet. Oops. And yeah, that is it for this. Like I said, I will unstuff this in another video that'll be coming soon, but that is it for that. And then the last thing I need to do is just see if I need to update any of my trackers. So if anything's like kind of full, I'll switch it out. We shall see. Oh yeah, Costco for sure, because I fill this one a lot. Okay, so Costco has 27. And one day, I don't know, one day I think I'll make some reusable ones. I just haven't done that yet, so one day I'll get to that. I have other things I need to make for things I have to do, so those are taking priority right now. But one day I'll get to making reusable ones. Okay, this one definitely needs, yeah, it's a whole process making those things, so it's just easier to print out these sometimes. Okay, auto is at 237. Okay, that one's good. Extra savings. I think that's enough space for me for, yeah, that's enough space. Till next time. That one's good. Rainy day. I think I'll switch this one out. So this one's at 115. illustration. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm gonna switch this one out too. That's at 130. Road Trip definitely needs a new one. This one's at 0. That one's good. All right, those are good. Let's try this binder now. Go Wild. I only fill this one. I don't take money out yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's fine. Disneyland's good. Treat Yourself. I'm gonna switch this one up. Treat Yourself. This one's at 326. Fun should be good. Okay, those are good. And then I have a few in my wallet that I'm shopping with right now. So I'm just gonna check these really quick. Okay, so home, definitely need one for home. Okay. Home, which has 60. And that one's good. And I might change out Target. Should change out Pantry too. Okay, Target has 45. And Pantry has 30. 30. Okay, that is it. I have updated everything. All right, so trackers are good now. It's so nice to do that because then I don't have to worry about it during the month. Like when everything's ready to go, it just makes it a little bit easier. Setting up all this at the beginning, before the month, it just makes the most sense for me. But I have my monthly set up with my bills, all of my printables, which if you're interested in getting any of these, they're on my Patreon, so definitely check that out. But that is it. That is it for my August budget planner setup. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to do that. It really means a lot. It really helps out my channel, especially if you watch to the very end, so thank you for that. Let me know if you have any fun plans for August. This month for me is going to be fun because my nephew's birthday is this month, so we're gonna have a little birthday party for him, which is gonna be cute and fun, and I'm excited about that. But yeah, it should be a good month. Hopefully saying goodbye to summer soon. That'll be nice. I don't like summer. I'm ready for fall, so can't wait for that. But I think we have when does fall start? Is it in here? Oh yeah, not till September, but I'm hoping it still stays weather-wise how it's been here in San Diego. It's been pretty nice. But I feel like the heat's about to come, so I'm not looking forward to that. But yeah, that is it. Let me know what your plans are for August, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.